Good morning! We're off to Missouri today! I am in the drive-thru at McDonald's to get some coffee because there's no Dunkin' over here, but it's fine. Because I guess McDonald's has pretty decent coffee and I can get one of those biscuits. But we have 5.5 hour road trip and I'm excited. Let's do it! Okay, I've driven for about 3 hours so far. And it just started torrential downpouring to the point where I didn't even feel comfortable anymore. It slowed down a little bit, but man, came out of nowhere. And then I started thinking about tornadoes because I'm like, that's where like this stuff happens, right? I'm chilling at some Pilot gas station until this blows over. I'm looking on the radar and it's just, it's not much, so it shouldn't last very long. And I got another 2.5 hours to my campsite. And I'm just like really hoping it's not like pouring rain when I get to my campsite because I then wouldn't have to set up my tent in the rain. Originally, I'd be able to sleep in my car, but not anymore. So I guess I'm just gonna wait this out. Wow, this bridge is so pretty. This is St. Louis, guys. I can see the arch. Oh my God, guys, we're almost there. 15 minutes away. It's so beautiful here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. God, this property is so gorgeous. We're gonna take a walk around a little bit, but first I'm gonna set up my tent for the first time, which I've never done, so let's see how this goes. I have a little bit of help though. It's still in a box. Okay, so I did all of that without instructions, but I have one pole left and I don't know where it goes, so I'm gonna look at the instructions. This is an instruction. I figured it out. It was for the hood. "10 minutes, baby." I am just a sweaty mess right now because it's so hot out, but I set up the inside. Hey. Let's go explore. Okay, actually I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and I got Lunchables from the gas station because I didn't know if I could start a fire here or not, but there is a fire pit, so I just wanted to be prepared because I'm pretty far away from like any grocery store, so I just wanted to bring some food, and I'm just gonna chill and finish my Truly and eat, and then we're gonna explore once the sun starts to go down a little bit more. This is literally just like the most peaceful thing. Chilling with my book, listening to the birds. I don't understand how anybody could not like camping. It is the best thing ever. Oh my goodness, there's a dog. Should I follow him? I should follow the dog. So majestic. Fireworks. It's still bright out. There's a doggo barking at me, but we're gonna head down to the lake. Thing's a little shaky. I'm not gonna walk out on it with my camera. This is my happy place. This makes me happier than anything in the entire world. Just being outside. Fresh air. It's amazing. And I am moving to a place where I can do this all the time. I'm just so happy. Oh my goodness, there's a goat over there. Do you see it? His head's hanging out. I don't have on a zoom lens right now. So majestic. Oh my god, I never want to leave. Okay, so that was absolutely gorgeous. And I think now I'm gonna do my most favorite thing to do in nature, which is just relax and listen to the birds. And hopefully we can see some stars tonight. So I'll see you then. Getting pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock. I know it doesn't look that dark, but I turned my ISO all the way up. The sky is covered in clouds, so I'm not going to be able to get a clear shot of the sky. But maybe tomorrow, because I'm going to be going to a really unique Airbnb in Kansas, and it's going to be really exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But I'm hoping I'll be able to see the stars there at least. Good night. Hey you guys, so there was no stars last night until like 3 in the morning when the moon woke me up. Oh my god, it was so beautiful, but I was like so tired and like drowsy that I was not gonna go back to my car and get my good camera and try and adjust it to the sky. But hopefully we could get a better view tonight. I am currently driving through Kansas. Kansas looks exactly how I thought Kansas would look. Ready? Look. Big whole bunch of nothing. But really pretty nothing. So I'm on this road for another 300 miles until I get off in Colby, Kansas. Then we're gonna be at my awesome new Airbnb. So I will catch y'all on the next one.